Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. I'm back with another mango recipe. Today let's see how to make this yummy mango fruity at home. It's just like the store-bought one but without any chemicals and preservatives. You can store them in refrigerator and have it whenever you want. And you need just 3 ingredients to make this delicious mango fruity at home. Can you believe it? Let's get started. So here I've taken 1 raw mango, 1 ripe mango. Add that into a pan with some sugar and water. That's it. Mix it and boil it. Once the raw mango turns mushy, turn off the flame, allow it to cool down a bit. Then transfer everything into a blender and blend it well. You can add more water to adjust the consistency and your yummy mango fruity is ready. Don't forget to chill it before you taste it. So do try out this recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Let me give you an additional tip. You can pour this mango fruity into popsicle molds, then you'll get yummy mango popsicles. Try it out. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.